Have you ever rescued an animal? What was your experience? I recently attended a class with the Irving Police Academy where I learned about the importance of animal shelters and the work they do to help animals in need. An animal shelter is an important service that cares for lost, abandoned, injured, or homeless animals by providing food, medical treatment, safe housing, and adoption services. Shelters also help reunite pets with their owners and teach the community about responsible pet care. In class, I learned that animal shelters play a big role in protecting animals and supporting public safety. Workers and volunteers spend time feeding animals, cleaning shelters, giving vaccinations, and helping families adopt pets into loving homes. One well-known shelter in Irving is Irving Animal Services, which helps rescue and care for animals in the local community. If you would like to help, you can support animal shelters by donating supplies, volunteering your time, or even adopting a pet in need of a loving home. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed watching my video, feel free to share.